Hello beautiful people. You are warmly welcome back to the channel. Yes, today we are going to continue our herbal hair growth oil business series, and the next from where we stopped the other day, it is now time for us to label our oil bottles, which we are going to be doing in this video. So I would like you to stay tuned and enjoy these. I have some tips I want to share with you when it comes to labels, so please do not go away after this short commercial break. You are warmly welcome back from that short commercial break. So we are diving into today's video, but before we start, I want to give you the first tip, which is not in this video. I have not recorded it. I can't find it in this video. But what I want you to do is, after filling your bottles, there are going to be excess oil on the bottle. Please, I would like you to clean those oils before you label your bottles. If not, your labels are not going to last. So what you want to do is, you want to get some spritz, or how do we call it, alcohol, rubbing alcohol, on some paper or some piece of cloth, and you are going to clean those excess oils. Or another way you can do this is to use your dish soap in a water, and you wash these bottles in that dish soapy water. Okay, that is the first tips. The second tip here is that I make my own labels. I do them, I print them at home. So if you want to know or learn how to make your labels, I have a video on the channel. Please go look for it and make your own labels. In making your own labels, it comes with advantage and disadvantage. One of the advantage is that you are able to make the changes that you need to make if you are actually printing this yourself, if you are designing this yourself. Someone can also design for you and you print it yourself. I have bought one of the designs from Etsy, but I have never used it. I was just trying everything from the beginning. I wanted to see what is going to be, what is going to be working for me. So I have tried several things, and one of those is buying already made labels. But at the end of the day, it didn't work for my brand, so I have to design all my labels. And as I said, the advantage of doing this is that you are able to make changes. When there is a change in your recipe, you are able to change it on your label. So that is the first advantage. Another advantage is that you print what you need at a time. Okay, but the disadvantage here is that you have to invest into a good printer. You also have to always fill the ink of that printer. And what else do you have to do? You have to there's excess expenses, and there's a lot of work to do when it comes to printing your labels at home. Sometimes when you are ready to print these labels, the machine is not working, the machine doesn't want to respond, all your ink is empty, and you have to go and buy, and that can take a lot of time. But if you are printing it, or somebody is printing for you, or from a company, you already have it ready. You just have to label your bottles. So that is another way, that's another thing you have to think about if you want to start your own business. If either you want to make your labels at home, or you want to have already made labels from other companies where you will send them your design and they will print it out for you. And as I said, the design too can be, you can hire people to do this design for you. I think if you go on Fiverr, I don't know how to pronounce it. Maybe I can put it on the screen. You can find somebody there to do it for you as well. So yes, that is another thing when it comes to the labels. But aside that, labeling your bottles is very easy. As you can see, I also have some butters that I want to label. They are all going to be part of my launching day. So please, I will be launching my product in April. So if you are watching this video before April, then watch out for April, because I will announce it on this platform for you to know that the website is on and you can actually patronize your girl. You can support my business, you can try my product and review them for me. So that is why I am making all these videos for you. So yes, I don't think I have much to say to you, but if you have any question, please do not hesitate. Let me know in the comment section. And also, if I have any other information that I want to give you, I am going to let it in the description box. Another information that I want to give you is that if at the end of you watching this video and you think that you still have problem, I have put all this in an ebook, which is very affordable for you to get, and you can be at the comfort of your home and you can do everything. It is very, very, very explanatory, very easy. There are a lot of people who have bought this ebook and they own their own businesses now. So I want you to try that ebook if you are still, or if you still think that you need help, or you still think you need more information, because that ebook is also very detailed. So I'm going to be leaving the link below this video in the description box. So guys, if you have not liked this video, I would like you to take a break and like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not also subscribed, what are you waiting for? There's a lot of information to get here. I want to recommend this to you personally, to hit on that subscription button, subscribe and become a member. And also remember to put on your notification so that whenever I upload any new videos, you will get access to it and you will watch at the comfort of your home. Once again, thank you for watching, and remember, in our next video we are going to shrink our bottles, and I'm going to share that knowledge with you, the behind the scene video with you as well. So if you have finished watching this, please go on the playlist and also get the rest of the information. Get all the information that you need before you start your business. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and share with your friends and family. Yes, share with your friends and family. Let this video go far. Also, if you have any question, do not hesitate to let it out for me in the comment section. Okay family, that's it for today. I hope this video has given you some kind of encouragement. I hope you have learned something from this video. I just want to take this moment to encourage you. Yet it is a whole lot of work when it comes to starting your own business, but it is worth it. It is building your own empire, and you need all these determination, you need all the force, you need all the consistency, you need all the brave to do this. Don't ever think that this is not possible. It is possible when your mind is made up. Yes, I would like to know in the comment section Is this something that you think you can do, especially for those who wants to just, want to begin or want to have their own herbal hair growth oil, or they want to have their own cosmetic brand? Look at how beautiful this is. At the end of the day, you are going to be proud of yourself, and you're going to be proud that you are able to build something with your own hand, with your own money, with your own energy and strength. Guys, this is possible, and I am here to encourage you. I know it is very difficult. Even sometimes I ask myself, do I really want this? Do I want to continue? But if you have the why, if you have the why reason you are doing this, you'll be motivated anytime the doubt, comes in your head or in your mind. Especially for those that are, that wants to begin or wants to start this, you are always fearful. You are always, having this negative thought whenever you want to start this business. And you feel like you can't make it. You are going to fail. You will be a failure, and people are going to laugh at you. So because of that, you are scared to start. I am here to tell you, let them laugh. Even when you start and you are not able to reach that place that you want, you have tried. And through that process, you will learn something. And that thing will take you to your next level. I always tell myself that my failure is my challenge. Because when I fail in something, I always want to make it up onto myself. So it changes me, it makes me to fight harder. So if you are watching this video, I am here to tell you, it is not easy, but it is possible. If your mind is set up, and if your why you are making this is if you know why you are making these, you will get there one day, and people will applaud you. The same people that you might be thinking might be laughing at you or might laugh at you will praise you. So just take a step at a time. Take it on your own space. Don't rush. Don't be a competition with anybody. Be your own competition. Be your own competition and fight towards what you want in this life. I love you so much, and I want you to enjoy the rest of the video. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you have learned something in today's video. I hope your spirit is lifted up. If there is anything you want me to know, let me know in the description box, and we will bring the curtains to the end for this video. Remember, the rest of the information for this process for your business is in my playlist. Please go and watch the rest, because the next video we are going to be heat shrinking our bottles or our covers. So if you want to learn about that as well, I have a video which is the end of the process, and I would like you to watch that video to complete all this knowledge. So you can see I have all the knowledge here in one place. Bye bye.